Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show y'all what's in my fitness center business plan template. Specifically, what I'm going to do is walk y'all through the Word document portion of the business plan template, show you the quantity of information that's in there, the writing style, the structure, and if you like what you see, then at the end of the video, I'll go ahead and provide y'all with a link to be able to purchase my fitness center business plan template. All right, so where the video is going to play out is first and foremost, I am going to give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're going to zip through the Word document portion of the business plan for the fitness center. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement and the growth opportunities of writing your own fitness center business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to do it for you. Also, I am an author of numerous books written, and I've published them on Amazon. So if y'all are interested in getting some reading material on, writing business plans, definitely check me out on Amazon. And then finally, I'm a subject matter expert and adjunct professor for both business and finance. So my education is well aligned with my passion, which is writing business plan and doing finance models. All right, so enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about my fitness center business plan template. So here is the Word document portion of the business plan template. And if you do purchase it, it also comes with a financial model, which is right here. Say hello, financial model. And the financial model is pretty simply easy to use, and I do offer a separate tutorial on how to use that. But for this video, what we're going to do is we're going to drill down on the Word document section. So when you do buy it and you open it up, you're going to be greeted with the title page right here. Feel free to put your company name here, or most of what my clients are going to do is they're going to go ahead and put their logo here and then maybe business plan underneath. The next section is your table of contents. Once you start adding more meat to the bone, really expanding your business plan, you can go with bare bone and just change out the highlighted information here, and you're all set, ready to go. Or you make it your own and really customize it. It is a Word document that's editable. But once you're done with it, you want to come right here to the table of contents, click on it, click on Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click OK. And once you do that, your table of contents will be updated with the headers as well as the page numbers. The next section is the executive summary section. And in this section, I've got it started for you with the company's summary, target market information, financial highlights, and then a funding request. Now for the financial highlights, you do need to finish your financial model. So with this financial model, I give you a starting point with all the information, but once you're done making it your own and going through the tutorial and filling it out, you are going to want to go to the projections tab. And these first three numbers are the most important numbers you're going to be looking for from the perspective of this template. So once you get those three numbers, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the financial highlights, and then you'll see where the revenues, the next year revenues aligns with the first number, 668,000 aligns with the 668 up here. And then we've got estimated costs, 435,000 aligns with the 435,000 here. And the net profits, 167,000 and change, aligns with the 167,000 and change there. So go through the template, update this information, follow the tutorial, and then once you're done, come over to the financial highlights and update that information. And the final section in here is a funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? What are the terms and the interest rates expected? The next section is the company description section. I do start you off with finding the fitness center summary. So here's a summary of your company. And then I also give you a good start for the products and services. I start off with the memberships, personal training, and I'm even throwing a juice bar in there. If you're not going to have the juice bar, then delete it, or you can keep it, completely up to you. Competitive advantage section, I've got you started there. Primary target market, a little bit of information for that. Then we got a pricing strategy, hours of operation, location. This is where you're going to go ahead and put the square footage of your location. And then this is also how you're going to break up the location. So again, give you a good start and just expand upon the information there. Next section is going to be the business objectives and timeline. This is more of a strategic plan showing a roadmap of what you're going to be doing and how you're going to be doing it. Typically, the business plan and the strategic plan are separate, but I did put a snippet in here of the strategic plan just for you to provide the reader with a taste of where you're going to be growing and how you're going to be doing so, and what are some of the objectives that you'd like to achieve in the next 12 months. Industry research is already updated for you. It's right here. And then I also give a summary of your industry revenues and growth. Next section is the SWOT analysis. And for the smart art, what you'll do is you'll click on the smart art, and then you'll click on this little tiny arrow right here. And once you open that up, then you'll be able to make the adjustments to the smart art. This section right here is the organizational structure. The legal structure is going to be a limited liability company, corporation, whatever it's going to be. Put that information right here. Next section is going to be the job responsibilities. Typically, a fitness center is going to have a CEO, manager, trainers, and then some maintenance. But again, feel free to update this information accordingly. The organizational chart is just a visualization of your job responsibilities. Marketing section, I'll give you a starting point for the marketing section. Typically, fitness centers are going to do your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. And so again, I give you a good start, a launching pad for your marketing discussions. Next section is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? How long are you going to be borrowing the money for? And then just a range of interest rates that you expect. Next section is going to be your financial projections. So once you're done updating your financial projections, you'll just copy and paste the information in here. But the way the financial model is broken out is you can do your first 12-month profit and loss statement. For this section right here is month 1 through 3, 4 through 6, 7 through 9, and then we've got 10 through 12. And then finally, we've got our pro forma income statement, which is our annual projections for the next 5 years. So once you update your financial model, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the financial model and then go to whatever financial projection tab that you want to update, copy it. So for this example right here, we're going to do the income statement. So we'll copy the income statement. Then we'll go over to the Word document. We'll highlight the old income statement. We'll delete it. And then we hit Control V, and voila, we have now an updated pro forma income statement. And you do the same thing for the profit and loss statements as well. So it's pretty simple, straightforward, easy to use. And yeah, so if you like what you see, let's go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, so if you like what you see, then you can definitely purchase my Fitness Center business plan template. All you got to do is go to my website right here, and you're able to pay whatever fee it's being charged at that time. And once you do that, you'll be able to download the Word document as well as a template. So you make your payment, and boom, you immediately download it. Also, I do include free tutorials. So if you go to my business plan tutorial link right here, you'll be able to view what the tutorials look like and make sure that you're going to be able to work with them and they're understandable. And then finally, so let's sum this up. So if you do buy the template, it is a customizable Word document. Also comes with the basic financial model, and that financial model is in a separate tutorial, how to use it. There are some limitations to the template. First and foremost, it's not compatible with Google Docs or Word product or Apple products. So it is in Microsoft Word. It's also in Microsoft Excel. So you do need both of those programs in order to make the adjustments. And then finally, if y'all do need some, if y'all are interested or have questions, more questions about the financial, the template for the fitness center, feel free to give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a conversation. However, after you make the purchase and you've got questions on how to use it, I would refer you to my tutorial. So just keep that in mind. And then finally, if you want to just completely avoid using the template and you just want somebody to write the business plan for you or to do the financial projections for you, I do offer custom business plan writing packages as well. Just check out that link below. All right, so hopefully this information is helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.